Hello, my lovely crafters. This is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to the Oh Christmas Tree Collab, hosted by NC Mountain Mama. Hi, Steph. This collab, we are supposed to decorate a Christmas tree. Well, I already decorated mine. I actually have 5 Christmas trees in my house. I have my traditional large tree in the front room that Grumpy puts up and puts the lights on. And then my son Josh and twins, Jacob and Logan, come over and help me decorate. Then we all sit around the tree having eggnog and cookies with Christmas music playing. And it's a nice little tradition we have here and very special. And that's what my video is all about. Memories and tradition. So, this is my little pup, Ted. Want to say hi to the people, Ted? Huh? Nah, he's going to go to sleep on me instead. All right, there are 11 of us in this collab, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun to see what everybody plays. So, let me tell you who is in this collab. And I will put all of their names and a link to their channels in my description below. We have NC Mountain Mama, Bonnie's Bargains, Unboxing with Arlene, Jean E, Kathy at Home, Kimmy's Kitchen and More, Mary Ellen, Sassy Southern NC Girl, me, and Craft Adventures with Susan Tootsie Tucker. Along with this collab showing our trees, there is a special little thing that's going to happen. Stephanie picks the Mrs. Claus of the Year. Last year for 2021, Susan Tootsie Tucker was Mrs. Claus, and I think that was an awesome pick. And Stephanie wrote a story about it and posted it on her channel, and it was a lot of fun. If I can find a link to that one, I'll put that below as well when she announced that Susan was Mrs. Claus. And check it out. It's just fun. She wrote a really cute story about her and just made the Mrs. Claus thing a real lot of fun. So I hope you like that part of it. I'm excited to see who Mrs. Claus is this year. None of us know who Stephanie's going to pick, and she's going to write a story about them as well. So that should be a lot of fun. So this is my little Christmas tree. This is my little Christmas tree, and this sits in my living room so I can see it all day and all night, because this is very special to me. This is what I like to call my memory tree. And I'll tell you a few little things about it and why I name it that. At the top of the tree is a little angel, and that angel represents my mom and my dad, my sister Jackie, my sister Lucille, my brother Don, and my brother Lucian, who have all passed. So that's for them. Then, long ago, when my boys were little, we lived in Rhode Island, and we were not well off at all. And you do your best to make holidays special, and Christmas was always a big deal for us. But we didn't have money for big fancy decorations and all of that kind of stuff. So we made our own decorations. And the boys would make those construction paper garlands, and we would sit and string popcorn and cranberries. Don't know if you can see them very well, but every year we would do popcorn and cranberry garlands and hang those on the tree. Well, as we were stringing them, we would flick popcorn to Buck, our dog at the time. He was a big dog. He was awesome. Big dog, very gentle. And he loved it. He loved his popcorn. So one night, my husband at the time was out snow plowing, and the boys and I were asleep, and I heard a big crash. And I said, what the heck was that? Oh my gosh, it scared the heck out of me. We lived out in the woods. I mean, we had nothing around us. I didn't want anything happening while we were out there. And I ran out to the living room, and sitting in the middle of the living room was Buck. My Christmas tree on the floor, him wrapped in popcorn and cranberries and construction paper garland. And the look on his face was, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. It was the funniest thing. It was the funniest thing. It was a long time ago. I'm talking maybe 35 years ago. So back then we didn't have these kinds of phones where you could quickly take pictures. So I never got a picture of it, but it was hysterical, and we love talking about it these days. As a matter of fact, just today I asked my son Josh, I said I put cranberries and popcorn on the little tree, and he says, oh, that's for Buck, right? And I said, yep, absolutely right, that's for Buck. So it feels good that my kids remember things like that too. So I'll show you a couple of my little special items I have on the tree. Like I said, we didn't have lots back then. So we would sit at the kitchen table and we would make ornaments to hang on the tree. And I've held on to quite a few. My oldest son, Jay, took quite a few. And the rest will go to my other two boys when I'm no longer here. But you used to be able to buy, and I don't know if you still can, but you used to be able to buy these little wooden ornaments. And they came plain and you had to paint them. So we would sit around, and paint lots of these on, sitting at the table, and we would put them on our tree. And it was a lot of fun. And every year the kids would look for the ones they painted. They knew which ones they painted, and they had to hang those on the tree. You're being such a good boy, Teddy. Then I would, hi baby. Then I would make these little Christmas ball ornaments, and all this is a little styrofoam ball, and I would take leftover pieces of Christmas fabric that I had, because I used to sew a lot and make a lot of Christmas wreaths, and I would just take the scraps and make these little Christmas balls and hang them on the tree. Actually, my son Josh asked me if I could make him some for his tree at home. So I'm hoping to get some of those made. What else do I have here that's special? We did those. This year I added a new one. And if any of you follow me, you remember when I made these shaker mason jars, and I had put a couple on cards several weeks back. Well, I made this one with my twin grandson's picture in it. And it's a little shaker, and I added that to the tree this year. And I try to add a little something something all the time. And then up here is a little airplane. And this represents Grumpy, because he spent his working career in the airline industry. So a little airplane for Grumpy. He doesn't even know this. This is all a surprise to him. He didn't even know why I used to put up this tree every year. I was surprised. I never said anything. It was just a very personal little thing that I did for me and really enjoyed it. And this used to be a little ornament that I had bought, but the top broke off, and I'll have to try to figure out a way to fix it. But this is a little pug ornament, and this represents my dog, Tank. We had Tank for 15 years, and yesterday made 6 years that he passed away. He was very, very special to us, to Grumpy and I. And we miss him. We miss him to this day. So that's my little tree, and that's some of the stories about it. So hope you enjoyed that a little bit. Now, with this collab is a giveaway, and I will be giving away a $15 Starbucks card. So if you're interested in that, you need to enter my giveaway. Now, the rules to entering the giveaway are that you have to be 18 years or older. You have to be subscribed to all of the people in this collab in order to enter the giveaway. All the collaborators in this giveaway, in this collab, will be doing a giveaway. So go and check them out, see what they're giving, and you can enter lots of giveaways this time. Just have to subscribe to everybody once. Once you're subscribed, you can enter all of the giveaways. Mine will be open internationally because it's a gift card and I can send that anywhere. So everyone can enter my giveaway. I don't know what other collaborators are doing. Some may be US only, some may be international. I have no idea because I haven't seen any of them yet. Once the gift card leaves my hands, it's no longer my responsibility. It goes to the post office, and I can't be held responsible if you do not receive it. Alrighty, so what do you have to do to enter the giveaway? You have to be subscribed to everyone in this collab, and in the comments below, let's make it a little different and use the word buck in your comment. Okay, buck, B-U-C-K. And I will check to make sure that you are subscribed to the rest of the people in this collab. And if you are, I will enter you into my giveaway. And on December 30th, I will come on with another video doing the giveaway. And remember, that's the day Stephanie will also say who Mrs. Claus 2022 is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a phenomenal 2023. Until next time, love yous. Bye.